family, my name is Tiana, and today we'll be making pat lao for my grandparents. The ingredients you'll need are 5.5 pounds of pork maws stomach, which is right here, and we will show you how to cook and clean this later. 1/8 cup of sweet soy sauce, which is right here. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of chicken mix. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of barbecue pork seasoning. 1 teaspoon of pepper. 2 tablespoons of oil. And you can use any kind of oil. This is the pepper. 1 tablespoon of star anise, which is about 6 small star anise. And 3 cloves of garlic. And 1 can of Coco Rico, which is 12 fluid ounces. 3 stems of green onion and 2 tablespoons of ginger. Let's get started. This is 5.5 pounds of pork maws stomach, and we're going to clean it with 1/4 cup of salt and some vinegar. And add some vinegar. And clean 5 to 6 times. See you when we're done cleaning. You're going to clean it until the water turns clear. When the water turns clear, that means it's done and it's really clean. And now we're boiling 10 cups of water with 1/4 cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt and kalinga, kaffir lime leaf, onion, and lemongrass. And now we're going to boil the pork stomach. We're going to boil this for 10 to 15 minutes and then clean it again. The oil we put on the pan. Sugar. You mix sugar with the oil. Don't turn on the fire too high or else the sugar will burn. We're adding the star anise. Ginger, green onion, and garlic. then the Coco Rico. Now the soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and then the soy sauce. And then you turn on the heat on medium-high. Now you add everything else. And then you're gonna mix the pork into the sauce that you made well. We'll get back to you guys when we're done mixing it well. We forgot to tell you that we added 2 cans of water. We're going to slow cook this for 1.5 to 2 hours. After 1.5 hours, this is what the pork looks like. If you can't finish the pork, you can put it in Ziploc bags and freeze it, and when you want to eat it again, you can get it out of the freezer and warm it up.